Even.
Even. So what will be the answer to this question?
Where's 4?
No, it's not shope. It will be even. The multiple of an even number is always even. Is it clear, beta Udit?
Yes, ma'am.
Because if you multiply two even number like 2 and 2, even number means a number that can be divided by 2. If you multiply 2 and 2, it's 4. If you multiply 6 and 2, it's 12. So all this number can be divided by 2. So the first answer will be even. Okay. Now tell me the second one, Udit.
B. The multiply of a dash number may be odd or even. Ma'am,
Yes.
option B. The multiple of an odd number may be odd or even.
Very good, Abhishekta. Yes, Udit, tell me.
The multiple of an odd number may be odd or even.
Very good. Excellent, Udit. Have you understood? Because the odd, if you multiply two odd number, the answer may come odd or even. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
For example, again, if you multiply an odd and an even number like 3 and 6, it is even. But if you multiply 3 and 3, it will be odd. So the multiple of an even and an odd number may be odd or even. Is it clear, Udit?
Yes, ma'am.
And Avishikta, it will be odd. The multiple of an even and odd number may be odd or even. Is it clear, Avishikta? Avishikta, is it clear, beta?
No, ma'am.
It's
No,
not.
ma'am.
It's not clear. See, give me an example of odd number, Avishikta. Do you know what is an odd number, Avishikta?
Yes, yes, ma'am. 3.
6 is what? Is it an odd number or an even number?
Ma'am, 3. Not
3.
6.
Very good. Now give me an example of even number, Avishikta.
2.
Is equal to how much? Tell me, Avishikta.
6.
6. So 6 is an odd number or even number?
Even.
Even. Very good. Now tell me an odd number. Again, tell me an example of odd number, Avishikta.
1.
Okay, 1. And give me an example of another odd number.
5.
What is the answer, Avishikta?
5.
Is it an odd number or even number, Avishikta?
Odd number.
So is it now clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay. Shatoki, better tell me number 1. Shatoki, can you give me the answer of number 1, beta? Do you know the meaning of even number, Shatoki?
No, ma'am.
Okay. A number that can be divided by 2 is called an even number. For example, 4 can be divided by 2 exactly without having any remainder. So 4 is an even number. Is it clear, Shatoki?
Yes, ma'am.
কি ক্লিয়ার হয়েছে বলো? বুঝেছো? কি বুঝলে?
Okay. Shatoki, tell me what is an even number.
The number is which is divided with which can be divided with 2 without having any remainder.
Very good. Excellent, Shatoki. So tell me, Shatoki, the meaning of this question is the multiple of an even number is always like if you multiply two even number, then what is the answer? Is it a odd number or a even number? Odd number means which cannot be divided by 2 and even number means which can be divided by 2 exactly without having any remainder. Okay, Shatoki, tell me 4 into 2 is how much, Shatoki?
Ma'am, 8.
8. Very good. Can this number be divided by 2? Tell me yes or no without having any remainder.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It can be divided by 2. Okay, so is it an odd number or an even number?
Ma'am, even number.
Even number. Excellent, Shatoki. Okay, now Shatoki, tell me number B. First read the question loudly so that ma'am can hear it. Read the question loudly.
The multiple of n dash number may be odd or even.
Okay, now you have to multiply two number. Tell me a even number, Shatoki. Any even number?
4.
4. Very good. Tell me an example of odd number, Shatoki. Any odd number?
9.
9. Very good. Excellent. Now tell me the answer. 4 into 9 is how much?
36.
Very good. Okay. Now tell me, is 36 a even number or an odd number?
Ma'am, odd number.
No.
2 দিয়ে এটাকে ডিভাইড করা যায় না যায় না?
36.
তুমি টেবিল করে সবসময় বার করতে পারবে না। ইন্ডিয়ান নাম্বারটাকে দেখো। 36 এর
Yes. Tell me, beta, can it be divided by 2? Yes or no?
Good evening. It can be divided by 2.
Good evening, Amusu. Yes. Excellent, beta. So, is it a even number or an odd number, Shatoki?
Ma'am, even number.
Even number. Very good. Okay. Everyone, students, listen to me. Whenever a number, at the end of any number, there is a number which can be divided by 2. For example, here in 36, we have 6. 6 can be divided by 2, then the whole number can be divided by 2. If 6 can be divided by 2, then 36 can be divided by 2. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ishani,
No, ma'am.
Udit, it's not clear to you. Ishani, is this part clear to you?
Which one, ma'am?
I told that if a number has, for example, in 36, the last digit is 6. So if 6 can be divided by 2, the whole number can be divided by 2. Is this part clear to you, Ishani?
Yes,
Is it clear to you, Shatoki?
yes, ma'am.
Great. Udit, see, what happened?
ଅଲଗା ଜାଗାରେ ଜିମ୍ ପାଇଁ କେତେ ନିଅନ୍ତି ଜାଣିଛ? 1200-1300 ଟଙ୍କା ଅଲଗା ଜାଗାରେ।
If a number has a digit at the end which can be divided by 2, then that number the whole number can be divided by 2. Is it clear, Udit?
Today, class will be done today.
Yes.
Udit, is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Which number we are doing?
We are on Shuanshu number 2. We are on number B.
Baba?
This one. B. Okay. Now you tell me, Shatuki. Yes, Shatuki, can you give me a number which is an odd number? Shatuki, unmute yourself and give a number which is an odd number.
Ma'am, 3.
3. Very good. And give me an example of a number which is a even number. Sorry, which is an odd
48.
number. Odd number. Very sorry. Another odd number.
Ma'am, 9.
9. Very good. So 9 into 3 is how much, beta?
Ma'am, 27.
27. Very good. So can 27 be divided by 2?
No, ma'am.
So is it an odd number or an even number, Shatuki?
Ma'am, odd number.
Odd number. Very good. So what will be the answer of number B, Shatuki?
Number 3 তো বড় ভালো করে কিনে
Ma'am, what?
The multiple of an even or odd number may be odd or even. See, when we are multiplying a odd number and even number, the answer is even. And when we are multiplying both odd number, the answer is odd. Is it clear, Shatuki?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Amutu. Okay. Now, Ishani will tell me. Ishani, tell me number A, beta.
Of which question, ma'am?
Of number 1A, this one. This one, Ishani. Can you see the screen, Ishani? Is the Is the screen visible to you, Ishani?
Ma'am, I can see.
You can see. Can you read the sum loudly so that mom can hear it?
The multiple of an even number is digits.
The multiple of an even number is always. Now, Ishani, do you know the meaning of even number, beta? Which numbers are called even number?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me which numbers are called even number, Ishani?
Even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10.
Very good. So what are the characteristics of even number? What is common among these numbers?
What did you say, ma'am?
What is the common characteristic among this number? These numbers can all be divided by 0. Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
It all can be divided by 0. So even numbers are the numbers that can be divided by 2. Sorry. Are these numbers divided by 2, beta?
Yes.
So even numbers are the numbers which can be divided by 2. Now tell me, now tell me, Ishani, the multiple of an even number is always, is it an even number or an odd number? For example, if we multiply 2 even number, will the answer be an even number or an odd number?
It's an even number.
It's an even number. Very good, Ishani. Excellent. Okay, Ishani, tell me number B. The multiple of a dash number may be odd or even. So can you give me an example of even number, Ishani? Any example?
2,
2. Very good. Give me an example of another even number, Ishani.
6.
2 and 6. Very good. Excellent, Nomoto. Now multiply this two number. What is the answer coming, Ishani? 2 multiplied by 6 is how much, Ishani?
What, ma'am?
2 multiplied by 6 is how much?
It's
Very good, Amuto. Tell me, Ishani, do you know the table of 2?
yes, ma'am.
So tell me the table of 2.
12. 2 ones are 2. 12. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 six are 2
6 ka?
2 6 is 12.
12. Very good. Okay. Now give me an odd number. Better, Ishani. Any odd number?
3.
Another one? Another odd number?
1.
1. Very good. So 3 1 is equal to how much?
3.
3. Very good. So when you multiply an odd number and an even number, the answer may be odd or even. So what will be the answer here? The multiple of an?
The multiply of an odd and even number.
Udit, wait. I'm not asking you. Wait, I'm coming to you, Udit. Ishani, tell me number B.
Number what, ma'am?
Number B. Tell me number B.
Number B
This one.
is the multiple of an dash number is dash number which is a multiple of every number.
No, I am asking this one better. The multiple of an dash number may be odd or even. What is the answer?
Ma'am, should I give an example?
No, you gave me the example. You should tell me whether it is odd or even or both or only odd or just even. These are the options. Will it be odd or even? Only odd or only even? Tell me, Ishani.
Ma'am,
Wait,
I
Amutra.
have sent you the answers. I have sent you the answers.
Wait, I'm
All
checking.
of the examples.
Tell me, Ishani.
Ma'am, what you wrote now, that one only I have to tell.
No, I am asking you, will it be odd or even? Or only odd
What you wrote?
or only even? Tell me, Ishani, the multiple of an? See, here you have multiplied both even numbers, the answer is even. You have multiplied one odd and one odd, the answer is odd. You have multiplied one odd and one even, the answer is even. So now tell me, the multiple of a dash number may be odd or even. Will it be odd or even? Odd or only even? What will be the option among 1, 2 and 3?
The first one is even and the second one is also even and the third one is odd.
So the answer will be odd or even.
both.
Yes. So is it clear to you, Ishani, why it will be both?
Yes. Ma'am.
Yes or no? Tell me, Ishani, clearly. Have you understood the answer?
Yes.
Great. Okay. The next one,
No.
Omoto, you tell me better. Number 1 will be?
Number, which one? Please tell me.
Number A, this one.
The multiple of an even number is always even number.
Very good. Now tell me number B, Omoto.
The multiple of an odd number may be odd or even.
No. The multiple of an?
The multiple means,
Multiple means if you multiply.
oh, 3, I have 3. 3 into 6 is 18. And 3 into 3 is 9. 9 is odd number and 6 is even. 6 is even number.
So tell me what will be the answer?
Odd number.
No. It is asking the multiple of a dash number may be odd or even. So you have multiplied 1, 2 odd, the answer is odd. You have multiplied 1 odd and 1 even, the answer is even. So what will be the answer here, Omoto?
Odd.
Odd, then? Very good.
Or even.
Odd or even. Excellent, Udit. You are correct. Yes, Omoto, you are correct. Okay. Now, Shuanshu, tell me. Number A.
Ma'am, number A, the multiplier of an even number is always.
Yes.
That is, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Ma'am, the multiplier of an even number is always the even number. Ma'am.
Very good. Okay. Shuanshu, tell me number B, beta.
Which, ma'am, B. The
Yes.
multiplier of that number may be odd or even. Odd.
Very good. Odd? Is it odd or even or only odd? Shuanshu?
Odd or even.
Shuanshu, you tell me, beta.
Ma'am, odd.
No.
Ma'am,
See.
odd or even. Odd or even.
Very good. Why odd and even? See here. You are multiplying both odd numbers. The answer is odd. If you multiply 1 odd and 1 even, the answer is even. Is it clear,
Yes, ma'am, I know
Shuanshu?
that. We know that, like, when we multiply, the 1 is a odd number. We multiply 1 by 1, it comes the odd number. But when we multiply by 2, 2 is an even number. It has come the even number. Same.
Very good. Excellent, Shuanshu. Okay. The next answer will be given by Avishikta. Avishikta, tell me number C, beta. Avishikta, unmute yourself and tell me number C.
1 is the whole number, which is a multiple of every number.
Very good. Excellent, Avishikta. Omoto, tell me number C.
Okay.
Can you read the question loudly, Omoto, so that ma'am can hear it?
Yes. Dash is the whole number, which is a multiple of every number.
Very good. So, what will be the answer, Omoto?
Ma'am, I can't understand.
It's very easy, Omoto. Do you know the table of 1?
Oh. 1, 1, the 1, 1 to the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc.
Very good. So, what is happening when you are multiplying any number with 1? What is the answer? The number itself is the answer. So what will be the answer, Omotto? Very good, Omotto. Okay, the next one, Udit, can you tell me number C, beta? Udit, can you tell me number C, beta?
Ma'am, C.
Yes.
0 is the whole number which is a multiplier of every number.
Okay, can you tell me the table of 0, beta?
Development. Which is not. 0. That time.
Yes, tell me, Udit, 0 into 1 is how much?
0.
So, if you multiply 0 with 1, is the answer 1, Udit?
No.
So,
No.
you have to tell me such a number with which when we multiply the number, the answer is the number itself.
Ma'am, I can say that answer.
Wait, Shuanshu, wait. Yes, Udit, tell me.
1.
1. Very good, Udit. Yes, Shuanshu, tell me the answer, number C.
Ma'am, dash is the whole number which is a multiply of every number. That is the answer is 1. Because 1 is multiply every number, it come as same number.
Very good. Excellent, Shuanshu. Okay, Ishani, can you tell me number C, beta?
Dash is the whole number which is a multiple of every number.
Tell me, Ishani, have you understood the question, Ishani?
I have a question that the number D what are the meaning of number D?
Wait, I'm coming to number D. Wait, let me first finish number C with everyone. Yes, Ishani, have you understood the question number C?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then tell me better, with which number will you multiply a number so that the answer is the number itself?
1.
1. Excellent, Ishani. Okay, Shatoki, tell me number C, beta.
Dash is the whole number which is multiple of every number. The 1.
Very good. Excellent, Shatoki. Okay, everyone, class, I will send this video in the WhatsApp. Up to which number I have completed, please complete those answers and send me the answer in the WhatsApp group. Pause my video, give the answer. Yes, Shuanshu.
Give the answer in WhatsApp.
No, yes, you have to share the answers in WhatsApp only.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Which question number? To which question number?
Till which we will finish today, you can do up to that only, beta. Okay, the next day we will start fractions again after we complete this 3 chapters. Okay, Shuanshu, can you tell me number D?
Every number is multiply of odd and even.
Okay. Any other answer? Omoto, can you tell me number D?
B. The multiple of an odd or even. Number may be odd or even.
Okay, any other answer? Udit, can you tell me number D?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Abhishekta, tell me.
D, every number is multiple of 1 and the number.
Wait, Udit, tell me. Wait, Abhishekta, I'm coming to you. Udit, tell me, beta.
Every number is multiply of even and odd.
Okay. Shatoki, can you tell me number D?
Ma'am,
Yes,
I don't understand the D.
okay, you don't understand. Okay, Shatoki, wait, I'm coming to you. Ishani, can you tell me number D?
Every number is multiple
Not did not understand 235
odd.
মানে আমি কিছু বুঝতে পারি না আর আমি
Shatoki, wait, I'm explaining it to you. Avishikta, will you explain your answer, beta? Avishikta, unmute yourself and explain your answer. Shatoki, listen what is Avishikta saying. Everyone in the class, listen to what Avishikta is saying.
Every number is multiple of one and the number. Ma'am, example, 5 is equal to 5 into 1. 10 is equal to 10 into 1. 11 is equal to 11 into 1.
Excellent. Very good, Avishikta. In the whole class, it was only Avishikta who gave me the correct answer. Listen.
5, 10, 11.
5, 10, 11. Yes, thank you, Avishikta. Okay, see what Avishikta have to say. Every number is a multiple of 1 and the number itself. Why? Because whichever number we can see, it can be 5, it can be 10, it can be 11. Any number you pick up, it will be a multiple of the number itself. Number itself means the same number. If we multiply 11 with 1, the answer will be 11. Similarly, if we multiply 10 and 1, the answer will be 10. If we multiply 5 and 1, the answer will be 5. Is it clear to each and everyone in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Shatoki, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Omoto, is it clear to you, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
প্রত্যেকটা নাম্বার কি হবে 1
Omoto, is it clear to you? Omoto, unmute yourself. Okay. Udit, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Ishani, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Great. Now let's move to the next question. Number E. Ishani, can you give me the answer of this one, number E?
The multiplications of any number are dash.
So Ishani, the question is saying, for example, if you multiply two number, 5 into 2 is equal to how much? 5 into 2 is equal to
10.
10. So what is 10 called, Ishani? What is 10 known as? What is the name we give or we call 10 as? For example, if we divide 10 and 2, the answer is equal to 5. We call 5 is a quotient. So similarly, 10 has a name. What is the name?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, Shuanshu, Ishani, tell me what is that name called?
Dividend.
No, it's not emittent, but when we multiply two number, a result comes out. What is that particular name given to that result? Something which starts with P. Okay, I will come back to you. Wait, Ishani, you can think your answer. Wait. Shatoki, do you know the name?
Ma'am, what is the question I said?
The question is asking what is the name of this number? For example, if we multiply, wait, Amoto, wait. If we multiply two number, there is an answer coming out. What is that answer known as? For example, wait, Amurto. If we divide 10 and 2, the answer is 5, and 5 is called the quotient. Similarly, 10 has a name. What is the name called?
I know that.
Wait, Shuanshu, Amurto, wait. Don't tell your answer. Shatoki, can you give me your answer, beta? Shatoki, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give me your answer, beta?
Ma'am, I forgot. Can I give the answer?
Wait. Amurto, can you give me your answer?
Divisor.
Tell me again.
Divisor.
No. Divisor is a
Ma'am,
different thing, beta. 2 is called the divisor.
I've divided.
No, Shatoki, it's not divisor. And it's divisor, it's not divisor. Divisor. 2 is called the divisor. The number with which we divide the number, that is called divisor.
Ma'am, dividend.
No, 10 is the dividend, beta. Here 10 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor, 5 is the quotient, and the remainder will be 0. I need the name to this one. When we multiply two number, our answer comes up. What is the name?
Ma'am, I know
Yes.
that.
Yes, Shuanshu, tell me.
This product.
Very good. Excellent, Shuanshu. It will be product. Avishikta, tell me, beta. Avishikta, unmute yourself and tell me this one.
Product.
Very good.
Product.
Excellent, Avishikta. So have you all understood Ishani, Shatoki, Omurto? This is called a product. P-R-O-D-U-C-T.
Ma'am, guys,
Yes, Shuanshu? You want to say
ma'am,
something?
can I explain?
Yes, Shuanshu, explain it.
Ma'am, like when we multiply 5 into 2, the 5 is multiplicate. The number which multiply, that is called a multiplier. Mean 2 is a multiplier and 5 is a multiplicate. And the answer is omitted. Mean 5 into 2 is 10. Then the 10 will be product. Because when we multiply the multiplier